Going to show you what happens when you get a welcome to your company OS email and how you get set up as a new employee. So the context of this is going to be our cafe, Double Puck, and I've received this welcome email that has been generated from the system. So it gives you all the information that my new employer needs of me, along with an HMRC new starter form which needs filling in and uploading onto the system. In your email, you will get a username and a password. So, and the link to your OS is here. So I've got it open up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter my username and I'm going to paste in my password and I'm going to log in. So this will be the first page that I can see. The first page talks me through the privacy statement of the company I'm working with, how they use my data, what my rights are, etc., etc. It's important to read that. Nothing should be contentious, but do give it a read. Next up is my personal information, which I've started to enter. So here you can see my personal information, which I've blurred out for the purposes of this video, but just enter it all here. This is the information that your employer will need to set you up on payroll. Next up, you've got an option to upload a photo of yourself, and then a consent form for it being used internally or sometimes externally. You've got your bank account details. You've got your emergency contact. You've got your health information. Any other employment information, visa status, etc. Something on equal opportunities, which you can prefer not to say, or you can fill it all in. And then the different documents that you need to complete to get set up as an employee on your system. So to do that, all you need to do is click on the relevant employee form. It will open up the form, as you can see shortly here. And then all you do is, once you've read it and agreed to it, you scroll down to the bottom, acknowledge it, which is effectively signing it, and put your name in there, and then you submit it. And if you just work through all of the different employment forms that your employer has attached to your record, that's fantastic. Once all that's done, and you've read the employee handbook and the safety handbook, which again will be brand specific, press save and finish, and your HR team will receive an email saying that you have completed all your new starter forms and you can now be put on the OS to see your rota and to do the other jobs that your specific user profile can do. So for example, if you're a manager, you can order stock, you can do stock takes, you can complete timesheets, etc., etc. And there are videos on how to do all of those things on our YouTube channel. And that is how you get set up as an employee on Vela OS.